This is why your fridge hums at night. When the kitchen is dark, the fridge door seals like a giant moon gate. Inside, tiny lanterns flick on and many people in warm coats slide down icicle ladders. They tug on glowing cables to keep the light ready. They sort strawberries into floating red planets. Milk rivers bubble in tiny glass canals. A snowflake factory spins cool air into gentle clouds. They check every shelf, nod, and ring a soft crystal bell. That quiet hum you hear is their bedtime song, keeping your food safe till morning.